I need my mic. I'm going to go into a Rode Wireless Pro. Automatically turns on. I need to set this up to there. You want to be able to see how things work, right? So we got a problem with DJI. Transferring over to Bluetooth mode. If I turn my camera on and I hit the two dashes and allow this to go away, you can see I'm back to default gain. And I like to keep it to -8 so I can keep my voice down. I'm going to do this. I'm going to shut the camera off, the mic off. I apologize. And I'm going to turn it back on. Give it a couple of seconds, and where are we? 0 dB. What can I do to correct this? Factory reset the transmitter? How? There is no reset button at all. Only on a receiver I will have to factory reset this. So can I unpair it with disconnected, swipe down, cog gear, wireless mic, transmitter, and allow it to pair? Should take a couple of seconds. It should pair. I just love all these wires and everything in my way. I'm on record. Let me get off of record and let me now confirm and set everything up. There's nothing in here that I could set up. I have to set up my external, my dB, -8. Shut it off, turn it back on. 0 dB. We got a problem. The only thing I could do now is remember my settings, because in my profile I got a bicycle and a vlog as my custom. Oh man, go to the cog, scroll all the way down till you go into the factory reset and reset. Takes a couple of minutes, bear with it, off we go. You can long press the button, not going to reset. English, I don't care to see all these prompts. I have to get rid of them by just continuously pressing. I need to set my camera up 4K, 16:9 during the day. This is what I shoot at. Horizon balance. I come in here, I put my Pro on in order to get into the Transmitter 1 game. Did you just take note? If I back out, I had Transmitter 2 there as well. Here we go. -8. Let's press it. Let's shut everything off. Let's turn it back on. -8. Let's shut the camera off. I'm going to long press it so I could be on the startup boot. That didn't work. It did work before. I come back here and come here, -8. It seems that the camera needs a reset in order to correct itself. So now, let me just reboot this bad boy to show you that we can reboot it. This is the hardest button in my world to press. 12 seconds. All right, turn it on. I showed you that we could reboot. So the camera starts like day one when you come back the next day. Tells you the mic level. Go into there, -8. We're good. So I fixed my own problem. There we go.